How traders get $100,000 accounts without using their own money. That's what prop firms promise. I will explain how prop firm works, what a funded account is, and why most beginners fail the challenge. So, what is a prop firm? A prop firm, short for proprietary trading firm, is a company that lets traders use the firm's capital. In simple words, you trade their money, and if you make a profit, you share that profit with the firm. But before they give you access to a funded account, you usually need to pass a test called a challenge. Think of it like a trading exam. How the challenge works. Here's a simple example. You choose a $100,000 challenge. You pay a fee, maybe around $100, depending on the firm and account size. Then you trade in a simulated trading environment. Your goal is usually to make around 8 to 10% profit without breaking the risk rules. So on a $100,000 account, your target might be around $8,000 to $10,000. What is drawdown? Drawdown is the most important word in prop trading. Drawdown means how much your account is allowed to drop before you fail. For example, if you have $100,000 account and the maximum drawdown is 10%, you cannot lose more than $10,000. So even though the account says $100,000, your real risk limit is much smaller. Same firms also have daily drawdown. That means there is a limit on how much you can lose in one single day. If you break the drawdown rule, the challenge is over. What happens after you pass? If you pass the challenge, you get a funded account. This means you can trade with the firm's capital and receive payouts from your profits. But you don't keep everything. Most prop firms use a profit split. For example, if the split is 80-20 and you make $5,000, you keep $4,000 and the firm keeps $1,000. Final summary. The challenge is the exam. Drawdown is the safety limit, the funded account is the opportunity, and the profit split is how you get paid. Prop firms can be powerful, but only if you treat trading like a business, not like gambling. That's all. Leave a comment, please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.